Hey there, viewers. Today, we're diving into something really exciting, the best gut health smoothie recipe for optimal gut health and nutrition. Be sure to stick around till the end because this smoothie not only tastes amazing, but also has the power to transform your gut health if made regularly. We've included sources of the information in the video description. Let's talk a bit about why gut health is so crucial. Our gut plays a major role in our overall health, impacting everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to our immune system and even our mental well-being. At the core of our gut health is the gut microbiota, a diverse community of trillions of bacteria living in our digestive tract. These beneficial bacteria help break down food, produce essential nutrients, and protect against harmful pathogens. I've always struggled with digestive issues. There were days when I'd feel bloated and sluggish, not knowing that my gut health could be the culprit. There was this one time when I had a big presentation at work, and I remember feeling so uncomfortable and distracted because of my bloating. It was embarrassing, and I realized I needed to make a change. Learning about the importance of a healthy gut microbiome was a game changer for me. It's fascinating how these tiny bacteria can have such a profound impact on our overall health. Once I understood that my gut was more like a bustling city of helpful bacteria than just a food processing tube, everything clicked. Incorporating gut-friendly foods into your diet is a delicious and convenient way to boost your gut health. I remember the first time I started adding fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, as well as probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir, into my meals. The difference was remarkable. My digestion improved, I had more energy, and I just felt better overall. I had this friend who was always talking about her love for kefir, and honestly, I was skeptical at first. But when I finally gave it a try, I was pleasantly surprised. Not only did I enjoy the taste, but I also started to feel less bloated and more energetic throughout the day. It was like my gut was finally thanking me for treating it right. These nutrient-packed smoothies are a powerhouse of gut-loving ingredients. From fiber-rich fruits and vegetables to probiotic-rich yogurt and kefir, these smoothies are designed to support a thriving gut ecosystem. And the best part? They're super tasty and easy to make. Certain key nutrients play a crucial role in nourishing our gut microbiome and promoting a healthy digestive system. Fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics are essential components that help maintain a balanced and thriving gut ecosystem. Fiber, the gut's best friend. Fiber is a powerhouse nutrient that serves as fuel for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. Foods rich in fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Incorporating a variety of fiber-rich foods into your diet can help promote regularity and improve digestive health. I remember switching my regular breakfast cereal for oatmeal topped with berries and seeds. It was a simple swap, but my mornings were so much better after that. No more sluggish starts. The power of probiotics. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that can help restore and maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. These friendly microbes can be found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kombucha, and kimchi. By consuming probiotic-rich foods regularly, you can introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut, supporting digestion and immune function. Prebiotics, feeding your gut. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for the good bacteria in our gut. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, and asparagus are rich sources of prebiotics. Including prebiotic-rich foods in your diet can help nourish and support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. I love tossing some garlic and onions into my dishes, knowing they're not just adding flavor but also feeding my gut. When I first started making gut health smoothies, I was skeptical. Could something so simple really make a difference? But within just a few days, I began to notice changes. My digestion improved, I felt less bloated, and I had more energy. It was incredible. From the first sip, the blend of yogurt, kefir, spinach, banana, ginger, and chia seeds not only tasted delicious, but also provided a noticeable boost in energy. Within the first week, my digestion improved significantly, with regular bowel movements and a reduction in bloating. By the second week, I felt more energetic and experienced an improved mood, highlighting the strong connection between gut health and overall well-being. After a month, this smoothie became a beloved part of my morning ritual, helping me maintain optimal gut health long-term. The consistent intake of fiber and probiotics from the smoothie continued to support my digestion, and I noticed additional benefits like clearer skin and less stress. This simple, delicious smoothie has become a cornerstone of my diet, proving that easy, healthy habits can lead to significant improvements in overall health. Maintaining optimal gut health is not just about digestion, it's about supporting your overall wellness from the inside out. A healthy gut plays a crucial role in various aspects of our health, impacting everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to mental well-being and mood regulation. Let's explore the numerous advantages of prioritizing your gut health for a happier and healthier life. Good gut health is essential for improving digestion and maximizing nutrient absorption. A balanced gut microbiome helps break down food, extract essential nutrients, and support proper digestion, leading to better overall nutrient uptake and utilization by the body. By nurturing your gut with the right foods and lifestyle choices, you can enhance your digestive efficiency and promote optimal nutrient absorption. The gut-brain connection. The connection between gut health and mental health is a fascinating one. Research has shown that the gut-brain axis plays a significant role in regulating mood, emotions, and cognitive function. A healthy gut microbiome can positively influence neurotransmitter production, reduce inflammation, and support a balanced mood. By prioritizing gut health, you may experience improved mental clarity, reduced stress levels, and enhanced emotional well-being. Countless success stories and testimonials attest to the transformative power of optimal gut health. Individuals who have focused on nurturing their gut microbiome have reported improvements in digestion, energy levels, skin health, and mental clarity. By making small changes to support your gut health, you too can experience a positive shift in your overall wellness and quality of life. Prioritize your gut health today and reap the benefits of a healthier, happier you. Watch until the end to learn the best gut health smoothie recipe. Tips for improving gut health. Enhancing your gut health doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating simple yet effective strategies into your daily routine, you can support a thriving gut microbiome and promote overall well-being. Let's explore practical tips and recommendations for nurturing your gut health daily. Prioritize a balanced diet focus on consuming a variety of whole foods rich in fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics to nourish your gut microbiome. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and fermented foods into your meals for optimal gut health. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your gut health by disrupting the balance of beneficial bacteria in your gut. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to support a healthy gut-brain connection. Stay active. Regular physical activity not only benefits your overall health, but also promotes a diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to support gut motility and digestion. Limit gut-damaging factors. Reduce your intake of processed foods, added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and antibiotics, as these can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods, and choose antibiotics only when necessary and prescribed by a healthcare professional. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and lifestyle choices. If you experience persistent digestive issues or concerns, consult a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance and support. By implementing these practical tips and strategies into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps towards improving your gut health and enhancing your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation for a healthier you. As we start wrapping up our exploration of gut health and nutrition, It's clear that prioritizing the well-being of your gut can have a profound impact on your overall health and vitality. By understanding the importance of nurturing your gut microbiome and making conscious choices to support optimal digestion and immune function, you can pave the way for a healthier and happier you. Incorporating gut-friendly smoothies. Gut health is not just about what you eat, it's about how you nourish your body from the inside out. Incorporating gut-friendly smoothies into your diet is a delicious and convenient way to boost your gut health with nutrient-dense ingredients that support a thriving gut ecosystem. From fiber-rich fruits and vegetables to probiotic-rich yogurt and kefir, these smoothies are a tasty and effective way to promote a balanced gut microbiome. Best gut health smoothie recipe. All right, now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the best gut health smoothie recipe. This smoothie is packed with ingredients known for their gut healing properties, making it the perfect addition to your daily routine. Ingredients: 1 cup of mixed berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt or dairy-free alternative, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional for sweetness. Instructions: in a blender, combine the mixed berries, banana, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, ground flaxseed, spinach, almond milk, and honey. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding more almond milk if needed to reach your desired consistency. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy the refreshing and nourishing flavors. Variations: for a vegan option, swap the Greek yogurt for coconut yogurt or a plant-based alternative. Add a scoop of collagen powder for an extra boost of gut-healing nutrients. Customize your smoothie with your favorite fruits, greens, or superfood add-ins to suit your taste preferences. This gut health smoothie is not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that will support a healthy gut microbiome. Start your day on the right foot with this nutrient-packed blend that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Incorporating the best gut health smoothie recipe into my daily routine was a transformative experience. From the first sip, the blend of yogurt, kefir, spinach, banana, ginger, and chia seeds not only tasted delicious, but also provided a noticeable boost in energy. Within the first week, my digestion improved significantly, with regular bowel movements and a reduction in bloating. By the second week, I felt more energetic and experienced an improved mood, highlighting the strong connection between gut health and overall well-being. After a month, this smoothie became a beloved part of my morning ritual, helping me maintain optimal gut health long-term. The consistent intake of fiber and probiotics from the smoothie continued to support my digestion, and I noticed additional benefits like clearer skin and less stress. This simple, delicious smoothie has become a cornerstone of my diet, proving that easy, healthy habits can lead to significant improvements in overall health. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on gut health and wellness and much more. Check out this related video, and I'll see you in the next video.